Live the essence of flamenco in the capital of the Costa Daurada. El Embrujo in Salou is a cultural venue where flamenco and gastronomy come together to create a unique experience. Come in and enjoy this bewitching venue. Its decor and ambient will transport you straight to the heart of Andalusia, with its own terrace, space for 85 people, making it apt for organised groups. The prestigious flamenco company, Flamenco El Embrujo, has performed on 5 continents. The company boasts 2 teachers of flamenco dance. A brief explanation of the history of flamenco opens each hour-and-a-half show. During the show, the spectator will enjoy the essence of Spanish dance and the different styles of flamenco. El Embrujo de Salou also offers the opportunity to enjoy the best of Spanish cuisine and high-quality wines. Make your reservation now in El Embrujo de Salou, where flamenco and gastronomy come together for an unforgettable experience of Spain. El Embrujo de Salou, the essence of flamenco in the capital of the Costa Daurada.